Yes, 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 yes. The nation people. Where the big dancehall song will come out of the Caribbean will threaten the international market name. Eh? Whap 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 whap. Whap 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 whap. Yeah man. I saw it go man. The stone where the builder refused man always becomes the head cornerstone. You see what I say nation people? No gimmicks thing not that about it. The man them criticize the song, criticize the artist, and all them are here right now from the international market a be a whap 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 whap. So right now the man them see, you know. The man them say NBA young boy run out on it, you know, for the remix, you know. And right now, you know, everybody in a problem. And every haters a worry right now. Skillibeng thing tough. No gimmicks not there in our nation people. What I say? Skillibeng thing classic out na the street. The whap whap whap. I don't know joke thing man. Right now, the big man Kodak Black test it to me. I say, I know NBA young boy, you don't know what go on. Yo, from morning, from Skilly do the song, I make him know. First thing, so when I see him do the song, I'ma go over there, eh? I light up the song with beer fire and beer watch. You know why? It's sound, you see the title of the song, eh? And the chorus, eh? It sound too American. It too Americanized. It too catchy. The whap 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 business. Any artist at all we in a hip hop game or the rap game, it not to be NBA young boy. Any artist at all with name jump on the remix. Let me tell you something. Over here, burn up. This is what I say. And you're not going to see the impact when him create. Anytime him show come up and him start perform that shit over here. When you think England will go on wicked, wait till when him bring that whap whap business to the American people. You know we see what go on. This is what I say. I feel them think that. Them like that shit there. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. But watch on nation people. I could drop a word, a ceremony first. You see what I say? Because you know the video now got shot without this. At the world it's not a plan. So watch what go on, you know. Carefully, you know. Yo, a franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When we come for represent a full effect thing, man. You don't know it go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people. It can't get no better than this. Is what I say? If you see NBA young boy try out the whap whap whap, me now for ask if Skillibeng must get an international remix off of that song there. Because every hip hop artist we're in a demands right now and them shit there. I go one piece of it. No gimmicks business, no dead about it. But as I said to you, know, we don't know what go on because you see it come back down off of NBA young boy page. So we don't know what fix up behind the scene. But just for the fact that he met the attempt there and put it out on social media. You don't have to ask if the man rate Skillibeng. You don't have to ask if the man rate the man's style. You don't have to ask if the man love the song. You see what I say? And from him do that, I have a peace item want. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. But as I said to the nation people, it not have to be NBA young boy. You see what I say? Or any artist with name jump on the remix. It a go shell away the whole place. You hear me I say to you? Yeah. So it's a great look for dancehall. It's a great look for all of the East Side fans them. It's a great look for Skillibeng and him career. You see what I say? Yeah man, no joke shit not dead about it. And it's a great look for even the young upcoming artists them like Skillibeng himself. So them can see the progress where him make and see the step where him make towards it. You see what I deal with? So this is just a teachable moment for sure some of the vloggers them say. And it's not about who you like, my brother. Yeah, no gimmicks thing that about it. I don't want to, and about who you like. You see what I say? You have to remember a majority rule. You see what I say? How you feed the people them with. How the people them take on to. You see what I say? The style of Skillibeng I use, that enough rapper I use and I lock down the whole place right now. You see what I say? And for see say, them run out on skilly thing like that, you have to know. I don't know normal, my brother. You see what I say? I don't have to give the youth all the credit where the youth deserve, because remember, a slander only that slander him what there. You see what I say? Yeah, no joke shit not there about it. Remember, we only really do what there. We not take on the man and not disrespect him for no reason at all. You see what I say? Because what him do, I sang him do and put out song. And it's not every song where him put out everybody are gonna like. But if you don't like the song because you don't feel it, that no mean say you have to come out on social media, come and bash the man about it. Because a whole heap of fucker song where you don't like, where other people don't like. You see what I say? And them not come out on social media, come and make a mockery of the artist because of that. A lollipop thing that. You know what I mean? Them think they shame on my brother. Because remember I say a majority rule. So it's not about who you fucking like. You see what I say? Yeah. So we're happy for Skillibeng. We're happy for see where his career go. Most of all, we're happy for the highlight where dancehall diva get right now internationally. No joke thing not there about it, nation people. Yeah. So big up to Skillibeng and big up to all of the fans them who know say, well then, a long time now, we don't really see a young youth I do it like that because it was just popcorn alone. Because I know Mr. Dancehall lock up. That's what I say behind the bars. So it was just popcorn alone. You see what I say? You see, I travel and I get the reaction till you see some highlights start shine pan sensor. You see what I say? You know what I mean? Right now, a Skilly, I make a ferocious move towards the international market. You see what I say? And I like all the youth does easy, not in a hype thing, not run down certain thing, and him look like him well motivated and look like him all of the management team where him have, he look like them attack things precisely. Well done to all of the man team who are push forward in music and in career. You see what I say? But the whap song there, Repeat. I ain't putting it on it. You're not on it. Yeah. The whap shit there. It too Americanized me say people. You know what I mean? And people. Let me tell you something. When them come to America and drop the whap shit there, who not gonna see? You know what I mean? Because maybe I forgot pull up that song there even 5 or 6 times before him can done with it. That's what I say. Because anywhere at all him perform in America, all them want hear a whap. When them drop all the crocodile teeth, the whole place smash up because them all go slightly forgot say him even do that. Now give mixed thing not about it in the nation people. You see what I say? Remember, you know, at the stone this where the builder refuse, you know. The whole of the blogger them run out and said this and said that about the man, you know. As I said to you now again in a dancehall fans. It's not about who no like, you know, my brother. Or who the people, or where the people them are gravitate to, you know. And right now, you know, a whap. So big up Skillibeng. You see what I say? And big up Brando. You hear what I go on? Brando, let me tell you this. Let me tell you why me's a man will rate you, Brando. Listen to what you say more why. Because I'm going to tell you the truth. I represent for Gaza straight. So you can call me bias if you want, but me not lie when I represent. You see what I say? Because that's what I choose to do. But you as a man, you mix it up and stir it up. And most of the time when I listen to your thing, your hands will be truthful with whichever artist you talk about. So go and keep up the work. I love how you deal with things. You see what I say? And I just have to make you know that real way because some stay. No gimmicks not in on my game. A 10-star, the general. You see what I say? The people's champion. Watch. 10-star, general. Watch.